and then there were 4. Remember that little baby that first came out the egg? And Mummy went out on flyabouts, and that little baby was cold. Well, this is him. Look how big he is now. The cold baby is big and chubby, healthy, and warm and cosy. But the little ones are not getting as much food. So in a few days, the big guy will be coming out to go in the brooder. This guy. While Mummy concentrates on building up those little ones who need a little bit more food. Aren't they adorable? Wow, just absolutely beautiful. Little pink baby dinosaurs with a little bit of fluff. Wow. And Mummy and Daddy are busy having breakfast. That's why they're not in the box. As soon as they fill their tummies up, they'll be in there feeding the babies. But the big guy will be getting most of it. So I'll be removing him in a few days so that all the little ones get plenty of food. Wow. And this here is Apple and Poppy. Poppy, the mummy, has her back to the camera, and Apple is filling his face. And for breakfast, they've got all the leftover baby food from when I've been feeding the babies, and some egg food, all mixed together. And look at that messy beak. And they just love it because it's got lots of, it's all mushy and it's got lots of nutrition in and for the babies. Okay, little ones. See you later. Close that door.